The demand for reasonably priced fitness trackers has surged as more people seek affordable ways to monitor their health and activity levels. These devices appeal to users wanting reliable heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and exercise data without. List 1. Fitbit Inspire 3 offers a great balance between affordability and functionality. Its slim, swim-proof design houses advanced sensors for heart rate, sleep, and stress management. The tracker guides you with workout intensity zones and breathing exercises, motivating you to stay active and relaxed. With up to 10 days of battery life, it's one of the most durable devices. List 2. For those who prefer minimalism, this fitness smart ring is a game changer. Its discreet design blends style with tech, continuously tracking your heart rate, sleep, and daily activity. Despite its small size, it packs a powerful battery lasting up to 3 days. List 3. This fitness smartwatch brings extensive health monitoring features without a premium price. It tracks heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen, helping users keep a close eye on their health metrics. The large, vibrant touchscreen is easy to navigate, and multiple sports modes enhance workout tracking. It's IP67 waterproof, so you can wear it confidently during exercise. List 4. This budget-friendly tracker delivers all-day heart rate and SpO2 monitoring with precision. Its multi-sport modes support diverse activities from running to yoga. The device features a sleek design with a comfortable strap and easy USB direct charging that eliminates cable clutter. It lasts up to 7 days on a single charge. Ideal for those wanting solid health metrics and reliable. List 5. This large-screen fitness watch is perfect for users needing clear visibility of their stats. It offers continuous heart rate monitoring, step counting, calorie tracking, and sleep analysis. Multiple sports modes and sedentary reminders help improve fitness habits. Rated IP68 waterproof, it stands up to sweat and rain. The magnetic charging system is quick and hassle-free. It's compatible